Okay, so the way you play this game is you get a grid of numbers, and you have to pick two of them that are either the same numbers or they sum to 10, and they need to be next to each other basically, or they need to have nothing between them, no other numbers. So let me show you what I mean. We have 6 and 6, so these blocks are empty now. For example, if these two numbers would have summed to 10 or they were the same, they would have gotten removed. In this case, we have 7 and 7. Okay, they're gonna get removed. 7, 1, 6, 10, 3. Another thing, if you get one column to be completely empty, it will be removed and all the numbers to the right will move one position to the left, and the new column of numbers will get added to the right here. Let me see if we can get it to be empty. Okay, so now if I remove 5, this column will be empty and all of them will move one position to the left. Okay, and we have one column of new numbers generated to the right. And yeah, so the whole point of the game is you get to as many points as the more points you get, the better. And the game basically ends, or you just end it yourself by tapping on the X when you can't find any more numbers or there are no more numbers you can combine. So yeah, that's the whole point of the game, and that's how you play it. And yeah, that's it.